I swear every week I get a little bit more shredded. Like, look at this. I'm fucking turning on the camera. I'm turning on the camera and like, look at the striations. You are never gonna be as shredded as me because you're not as insecure as me. I'm insecure as hell. So there's two things that has led me to becoming shredded and continue getting shredded, and that is insecurity and beating that insecurity. I am so insecure to the point where I won't go outside because I know I'll drink. I won't eat pizza. I am insecure to that point because I know that will mess me up and that will make me even more insecure. And that's a feeling that I don't want to feel. Just to become 1% better. Probably like 0.1% better. You see, I'm a very competitive guy, of course with myself, but I compare myself a lot to other people. So when I see someone who is better than me, faster than me, stronger than me, smarter than me, more wealthy than me, it makes me feel that feeling inside, that just this horrible, insecure feeling inside, and I hate that feeling. So I know that I can never be the best in everything. I know that there's always gonna be someone who is better than me at something, always. But I can try. I can always try. And I'm so glad that I am insecure like that, because it is that same insecurity that has led me to accomplishing new things, beating new personal records, achieving accomplishments that I thought were never achievable. And then plus, that feeling that I do get when I finally win, that day of winning feels so fucking great. But then it kind of sucks because the next day I'm back to square one and I have that feeling of insecurity again. But that's what kept me leading to just keep beating my records day after day after day after day, and I keep progressing every single day. Now, people might not view that as very enjoyable, like a very enjoyable life to constantly be living like that, but that's what I live for. I don't live for the insecurity part of it, but I live to the what insecurity has brought me part of it. Accomplishing new things, becoming the best version of myself, always constantly self-improving and getting better. That's what I live for, and insecurity, I think, plays a huge part of me achieving those goals. And that's why I say you will never be as shredded as me, because you don't have that feeling. You're not as insecure as me. And a big part of that is environment. You see, I always try to surround myself with people or content with that are achieving great things and doing better, because then I constantly compare myself to those people. And that is what leads me to getting better and better and better. And they always say don't compare yourself to other people, but I think that is a very limiting kind of mindset. I think it is healthy and normal to be competing with other people and comparing yourself, because it gives you a goal to aim for and strive for. And I think everyone feels that feeling of insecurity when they actually compare themselves, because everyone does it. But then people tell you not to do it because whatever the fuck reason. To put things in perspective, who you're hanging out with, your environment is probably a loser environment, whether that be the music you listen to, the stuff you watch on YouTube or TikTok, or the friends you hang around with, probably losers, because you don't feel that urgency that you have to compare yourselves to them, so you never feel insecure. You're probably the winner out of the friend group. Now, imagine if you had a group of me around. Maybe you had 5 of me, different versions of me, and we were all your best friends. 5 of us were your best friends. Imagine how that would make you feel on a day-to-day basis. We would go out together. Girls would give us more attention. We would take off our shirts. We'd be shredded. We'd get more opportunities, better opportunities than you. How would that make you feel on a deeper level, on a more intrinsic, inside kind of level? How would that make you feel? You would probably feel more urgency and insecurity, which would get you to change and start accomplishing more and more things. I think insecurity is a great thing, and I think people should be more insecure. P.S. If you are looking for one-on-one coaching and you want to place yourself in that environment where you can actually grow, click the link below and that will sign you up for a phone call with me, and where we can go in depth, you and I, talking over your goals, your problems, to get you living a better life, to becoming a better person. Click the link below for one-on-one coaching.